Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hurdlr tax estimator to your bookkeeping records. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Hurdlr app on your device. Log in to your Hurdlr account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, find the section labeled Integrations. Select Integrations to view all available options. Scroll down to locate the bookkeeping software you use. Common options include QuickBooks, Xero, or other popular platforms. Select your bookkeeping software to begin the connection process. You will be prompted to log in to your bookkeeping account. Enter your bookkeeping account credentials carefully. Allow Hurdlr the necessary permissions to access your bookkeeping records. After you grant permissions, the app will start syncing data. Wait for the synchronization process to complete. This may take a few moments depending on the volume of data. Once completed, confirm that the connection is established. You should see a confirmation message on your screen. Now return to your dashboard to view your tax estimates. Review the data to ensure everything appears accurate. If any discrepancies arise, check the settings and synchronization process. You've successfully connected Hurdlr to your bookkeeping records. This allows for seamless tax estimation moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.